big day. We're about to start the attic renovations in our house that we purchased. We have laid out this area to be my daughter's bedroom. Here we're going to have where we think will be the bed, and we're going to have a skylight here where she'll be able to lay and look out the window with her head down here. Next, we're going to have a window seat that comes up into a dresser. We're going to build this out so it'll all be built in. That's where she'll stick all her clothes, but she needs dress room, right? Gotta hang her dresses. So this built-in will go in so she can hang her dresses in, and it will go all the way back. But first we gotta get rid of this. So today's the big day. Update. We took down all the framing, cleared it all out, and exposed the insulation. Now comes the dirty work. We're gonna take out the rock wall. So I've got my bunny suit and let's go! We've gotten a lot of the insulation out, but now we've got to do this, and this is the worst part yet.
We're doing some very dirty work, and this is going to save us hours and hours of really detailed shoveling.
So we've spent hours removing the insulation from behind the knee wall. We shoveled, we raked. It took hours, literal hours. And now we have to remove all the little last bits that are up against the soffit, which would require me to go back there because I'm the small one with the spider webs and the spiders, and I'm 100% not doing that. So I looked up online, and there's some genius people who use a leaf blower vacuum to remove their insulation, the last bits. So I'm gonna give it a go and see if I can do this. So I made a bag to catch all the insulation, and I got my vacuum, and now I'm just trying to put it together. Stay tuned. Gone. The linoleum's gone. Now it's time to get the floorboards. Well, we're done. We demoed the attic. I used to think I liked demoing things, and now I think I might have been insane because that was the hardest job I have ever done. We ripped down walls, insulation, flooring, and now it's time to get down to business. We have to re-level the floor. It's a 110-year-old house. Things have settled. From the wall to the center of the room, there is a 3-inch difference, which is a ton of space. So we need to re-level that. Hopefully that goes smoothly. I think we can pull it off. The first thing that we're gonna do is have 2 skylights brought in, and we think that will add a lot more light to the situation up there and just make it a little more interesting visually. Since I'm a big fan of not burning down my own house, I hired an electrician. He's gonna come by, update all the electrical, put in some outlets, because there are none, and some lighting. After that, we're going to have spray foam put in. Once we do all that, it's time to reframe the walls, put up some drywall, and put it all back together so my daughter can move in. We're really excited and hope you check back in to see our progress.